हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। आज हम बात करेंगे एरोप्लेन एरोडायनामिक्स एंड फ्लाइट कंट्रोल्स के बारे में। The directional control of a fixed-wing aircraft takes place around the lateral, longitudinal, and vertical axes by means of flight control surfaces designed to create movement about these axes. These control devices are hinged or movable surfaces through which the attitude of an aircraft is controlled during takeoff, flight, and landing. They are usually divided into two major groups. One primary or main flight control surfaces and two secondary or auxiliary control surfaces. Primary flight control surfaces. The primary flight control surfaces on a fixed-wing aircraft include ailerons, elevators, and the rudder. The ailerons are attached to the trailing edge of both wings and when moved, rotate the aircraft around the longitudinal axis. The elevator is attached to the trailing edge of the horizontal stabilizer. When it is moved, it alters aircraft pitch, which is the attitude about the horizontal or lateral axis. The rudder is hinged to the trailing edge of the vertical stabilizer. When the rudder changes position, the aircraft rotates about the vertical axis here. The primary flight controls of a light aircraft and the movement they create relative to the three axes of flight. Primary control surfaces are usually similar in construction to one another and vary only in size, shape, and methods of attachment. On aluminum light aircraft, their structure is often similar to an all-metal wing. This is appropriate because the primary control surfaces are simply smaller aerodynamic devices. They are typically made from an aluminum alloy structure built around a single spar member or torque tube to which ribs are fitted and a skin is attached. The lightweight ribs are, in many cases, stamped out from flat aluminum sheet stock. Holes in the ribs lighten the assembly. An aluminum skin is attached with rivets, which can be found on the primary control surfaces of light aircraft as well as on medium and heavy aircraft. Primary control surfaces constructed from composite materials are also commonly used. These are found on many heavy and high-performance aircraft as well as gliders, home-built, and light sport aircraft. The weight and strength advantages over traditional construction can be significant. A wide variety of materials and construction techniques are employed. The control surfaces of fabric-covered aircraft often have fabric-covered surfaces just as aluminum-skinned light aircraft typically have all aluminum control surfaces. There is a critical need for primary control surfaces to be balanced so they do not vibrate or flutter in the wind. Balancing usually consists of assuring that the center of gravity of a particular device is at a forward of the hinge point. Failure to properly balance a control surface could lead to catastrophic failure. Several aileron configurations with their hinge points well aft of the leading edge. This is a common design feature used to prevent flutter. Thanks for watching this video, friends. Please like, share this video and subscribe this channel. Pilot World 777. फिर मिलेंगे next video में. Namaskar.